What if I told you that eating just 2 dates a day for 30 days could transform your health? From better digestion and glowing skin to a sharper mind and even improved heart health. Science backs it up. Stay with me because the results might just surprise you. Eating 2 dates a day for 30 days can lead to significant changes in your body. These small, naturally sweet fruits contain an impressive combination of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting multiple aspects of your health. Consuming them daily affects your heart, skin, digestion, brain function, energy levels, bones, and even blood sugar control. The combination of nutrients within dates makes them a powerful natural supplement that works with your body rather than against it. The impact on heart health is one of the most notable effects. Dates are rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to cardiovascular disease, so reducing it lowers your risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Dates also contain potassium, which helps balance sodium levels, preventing high blood pressure and reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. The magnesium in dates further contributes to a steady heart rhythm and relaxed blood vessels, enhancing blood flow and lowering the likelihood of clot formation. For those prone to high cholesterol, dates may help by increasing good cholesterol, HDL, and decreasing bad cholesterol, LDL, further protecting the arteries from plaque buildup. The effect on skin health is another surprising benefit. The powerful antioxidants in dates work to neutralize free radicals, which contribute to premature aging. Oxidative stress accelerates the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and dull skin, making antioxidants essential for maintaining a youthful, glowing complexion. Additionally, flavonoids and phenolic acids help reduce inflammation that can lead to redness, irritation, or acne breakouts. The vitamin B6 in dates regulates hormones, preventing hormonal acne flare-ups. Since gut health and skin health are closely connected, the high fiber content in dates plays a crucial role in balancing the gut microbiome, which has been linked to clearer and healthier skin. For those suffering from digestive issues, adding 2 dates a day to their diet can offer significant relief from bloating, constipation, and irregular bowel movements. Dates are one of the best natural sources of fiber, containing both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the intestines, softening stool and making it easier to pass. Insoluble fiber adds bulk, promoting regular and healthy bowel movements. Dates also contain pectin, a prebiotic fiber, which nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. This creates an environment where digestion is more efficient, nutrient absorption is improved, and harmful bacteria are kept in check. Studies have shown that people who consume dates regularly experience better overall digestive health, with improvements in intestinal motility and gut microbiome balance. Cognitive function is another area where dates exert a positive influence. The brain requires essential nutrients to maintain clarity, focus, and memory, and dates provide many of these critical compounds. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a key role in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, motivation, and cognitive function. Choline, another nutrient in dates, is directly linked to memory retention and learning abilities. It helps produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for information processing and recall. The high levels of antioxidants in dates also protect brain cells from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline, neurodegenerative diseases, and memory loss. Regular consumption of dates may even contribute to better long-term brain function, preserving mental sharpness as you age. When it comes to energy levels, dates provide an immediate and sustained energy boost without the crash associated with processed sugars or caffeine. The natural glucose and fructose in dates are quickly absorbed by the body, providing an instant source of fuel. However, unlike refined sugar, dates contain fiber, which slows the release of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and crashes. This makes them a great alternative to sugary snacks and energy drinks, especially for those looking for a natural and steady energy supply throughout the day. Additionally, the B vitamins, potassium, and magnesium in dates support cellular energy production, ensuring that the body has the necessary components to generate and sustain energy levels efficiently. For bone health, dates contribute key minerals that support bone density and strength. While they are not as high in calcium as dairy products, they contain magnesium and phosphorus, which work in synergy with calcium to strengthen bones. Magnesium is essential for bone development and mineralization, while phosphorus helps build and maintain healthy bones. Other trace minerals in dates, such as manganese and copper, also play a role in maintaining bone integrity and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Eating 2 dates a day consistently can help provide a steady supply of bone-supporting nutrients, especially for those at risk of bone loss due to aging or deficiencies. Despite being naturally sweet, dates have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning they do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. The fiber in dates helps slow sugar absorption, promoting better blood sugar control and reducing the risk of insulin resistance. Additionally, the antioxidants in dates help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can contribute to inflammation and metabolic disorders that make blood sugar regulation more difficult. While people with diabetes should consume dates in moderation, having 2 per day as part of a balanced diet can be a smart way to satisfy a sweet craving without negatively affecting blood glucose levels. Beyond these health benefits, dates have a unique effect on pregnancy and labor. Studies have shown that women who eat dates regularly in the last few weeks of pregnancy may experience shorter labor times and less need for medical induction. This is because dates contain compounds that mimic oxytocin, the hormone responsible for contractions during childbirth. In one study, pregnant women who consumed 6 dates daily for 4 weeks before their due date had more advanced cervical dilation, shorter first-stage labor, and a reduced need for labor interventions. Dates also contain essential nutrients like magnesium, iron, and calcium, which support fetal development and overall maternal health. Incorporating dates into daily meals is easy and versatile. They can be eaten plain, blended into smoothies, chopped into oatmeal, or paired with nuts for a balanced snack. Their natural sweetness makes them an excellent alternative to refined sugar, perfect for healthy desserts and baking. Whether consumed as a quick snack or as part of a larger meal, the benefits of 2 dates a day are undeniable. Considering all these effects, improved heart health, glowing skin, better digestion, sharper brain function, sustained energy levels, stronger bones, stable blood sugar, and potential benefits for pregnancy, it is clear that dates are a nutritional powerhouse. With a simple habit of eating just 2 dates daily, long-term health improvements can be achieved naturally, without the need for artificial supplements or drastic diet changes.